Are your games stuttering or taking forever to load? Clearing your NVIDIA Shader Cache can fix it instantly, and I'll show you how in under 2 minutes. The Shader Cache stores pre-compiled shaders to speed up games, but sometimes it gets corrupted or bloated, causing FPS drops or long load times. To clear it, first open the NVIDIA control panel. You can right-click your desktop and select it from the menu, or you can just type in a Windows search, NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't see it, make sure your NVIDIA drivers are installed and up to date. Next, we're going to delete the Shader Cache folder manually. Press Windows plus R to open Run. Type NVIDIA DXCache, or you can find it in description to copy it faster, then hit Enter. Select all files in this folder and delete them. Then go to NVIDIA GLCache. Also, you can find it in description and delete all files there too. Don't worry, these are just cache shaders. They'll rebuild automatically next time you play a game. Finally, restart your PC to make sure everything resets properly. Then launch your game. You should notice faster load times and smoother gameplay. Don't worry if the first run takes slightly longer. The cache is being rebuilt. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and check out my other Windows optimization videos to boost FPS even more.